Do you remember when we calculated how fast Jenny walks in miles per hour? If Jenny walks for 1 hour, she'll go 2 miles. If she walks 2 hours, she'll go 4 miles. If she walks 40 hours, she'll go 80 miles, if she doesn't slow down or sleep. Basically, since she walks at a rate of 2 miles per hour, all we have to do is multiply the number of hours by 2 in order to find the amount of miles. Now here's a new way to think about the same math. We can use variables. Y is the number of miles, and X is the number of hours. Let's look at those same statements from before, but with variables. If Jenny walks 1 hour, then she'll go 2 miles. If she walks 2 hours, she'll go 4 miles. And if she walks 40 hours, she will go 80 miles. If we use an equation to model this pattern, we could say that y equals x times 2. If you remember from dice equations, it's easier to write that like this: y equals 2x, and it means the same thing. Now, what is the vocabulary word for 2 miles per hour? If you said unit rate, then you are correct. However, when we use the unit rate in the equation, we take away the units, or miles and hours, just have the number, and we call it the constant of proportionality instead, even though it really is the same number. The beauty of math is that even if Jenny walked at a different speed, we could still use pretty much the same equation to figure out how far she walks. We would just have to find the new unit rate, or constant of proportionality, and put it in place of the 2. In the general equation, we let k stand for the constant of proportionality. Are you confused? I think you'll understand with an example. Let's go back to Iron Man and write an equation for him. Iron Man makes suit at a rate of 5 3/4 suits per hour. That means that y equals the number of suits he makes, and x equals the number of hours he works on them. 5 3/4 is the constant of proportionality. You can also say the number of suits equals 5/3 times the number of hours.